I gotta go on a beer run. Grab my keys here. I think that's the keys. Get my way. Oh. Ah! Get off of me. Tick me off. Okay. Which vehicle should I take? Well, if I want to get there, I better take the Ford. Yeah. Okay. Oh. What the heck? What? Well, maybe I won't get there. Door handle's busted. Oh yeah. Ugh. Well, I think I'm just gonna have to run through the door. Oh, 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 ow. Oh, I think it hurt my head, my butt. Oh, there. Just run right through the door. Okay. Dang key. Piece of crap. Ah! Darn key. Gets on my nerves. There. Okay. What do I do here? I don't remember how you start this thing. What do you do? You kidding me? I forgot how to start my own pickup. I don't know. Oh, you turn the key. That's right. Make sure that's a neutral. Always starts up. It's depending on your Fords. Okay. Let this sucker warm up. I'm ready to roll. We're ready to roll. Okay. Okay. Seat belt. I'm tired of wearing seat belts. I don't know why we gotta wear a seat belt all the time. Ugh. They're a pain in the butt. Ugh, I hate seat belts. They piss me off. off me. How do you work this thing? Ah! This damn seatbelt. I hate it. I give up. I can't get that thing on. It's ridiculous. I don't know why we gotta wear a seatbelt anyways. I'm tired of seatbelts. I'm not gonna wear it. I'm just gonna go. I can smell that exhaust. I think my Ford Ranger needs some Pepto-Bismol. It has bad gas in the mornings. It has bad gas sometimes. I don't know what that is. Alright. Okay. I better watch where I'm going here. There. We're off. Still not going to wear that seatbelt. That's hard work putting on. Let's turn that music up. That's a good song. Just a driving down the road. Just can't wait to get on the road again. Still not putting that seatbelt on. You heard me. Okay. I'm almost to the beer store. I'll go get me some lunch. I don't know where to go. Okay. Wait a minute, what's that over there? What in the world is that on the road? Oh shoot, I gotta hit the brakes. Oh crap, I hit it. Oh. Oh, what happened? Oh, there was something on the road. I think I just flew through the windshield. I guess I should have put a seatbelt on after all. Ah! Well, at least my Ford Danger is okay. Oh! Oh! Well, I just learned a serious lesson. I'm still not putting that seatbelt on. Even though that crash hurt, but I'm not putting that seatbelt on. Try this again. I don't know what that was on the street. Whew. Okay, I better pull in the driveway. Here's my driveway. Okay. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, God. I just flew through the windshield again. Damn it, that was the 20th time I ran into the gate trying to pull in the driveway. That's it, I'm gonna have to wear that seatbelt. That was the second time I crashed. I'm not gonna be able to drop turds in the toilet anymore, go to the bathroom anymore. Oh, my butt crack hurts. That was a horrendous crash. Oh. Ooh. Oof. Okay. Yeah, I'll put my seatbelt on. I just fell through the windshield twice. I guess I better be safe and put a seatbelt on. Even though I don't want to. Oh! See, even I got a warning here. Got a seatbelt thing here on the window. See, even Fords remind you to put a seatbelt on. Just kidding. I'm not wearing it. Nope. I'll go for another spin. Forget that seatbelt. Okay. My brakes don't work. Oh no, there's a Hyundai in front of me. Here we go again. I'm losing my cool right now. That's the third time. I'm ruining my windshield. I just fell out of the truck again. Fine. I give up. Seatbelt's on. That's the third time I crashed and fell out. Now maybe I'm safe in here. Here we go again. Oh. Well, this truck has so much power, I just started to take off and I just fell through the back of the window. fell away from the seatbelt that time. Maybe I better quit driving. I keep crashing. I think I better park. I don't know. I gotta sign out. I'm losing my temper right now. Seatbelt. Safety first. I'll be back.